Breakfast?
Breakfast,
Oh,
that's
my
right.
God.
It's a breakfast. Very good. Okay,
The
see?
time.
Close.
Once upon a time.
Yeah, once upon a time.
Oh,
Да, что такое once upon a time?
Однажды.
Однажды. Try again.
To stand to.
No. Try.
Try to understand.
Yes,
Ah.
try to
Ah!
understand.
Oh
That's
my
right.
God.
Yeah, so can you see two? And this is the line, yeah? Underline. Okay, good. And let's try this one, but it's really
Travel.
difficult with travel, yeah.
Australia is very high travel.
Yes, travel. And we can see many C
Under
letters,
C?
yeah? Many
Over
C.
the sea.
Yes, you're close, you know?
Oh.
You're really close. Как будет путешествие за границу? Или заграничное? У нас есть слово одно. Так.
The world, I don't know. Over the sea.
Overseas.